Fairgirl with Curls closet. I have recently become obsessed with wigs of all different sorts, and I usually like to stick to things that either look close to my texture or are curly because I'm just not used to wearing straight hair anymore. So when I came across this one, I was super excited. It is the RainMaker in a 1B from Sensationnel. It's a textured half wig, and it just looks to me like blown out style. It says it's for all curly types from 3B to 4C, and I don't really hair type, but for all intents and purposes for this video or for like comparison, I am between a 4B, 4C. I have mostly 4B, I have 4C in spots. So again, I was super excited about this wig. Let me tell you a little bit about it. This is what it looks like. Really pretty, really textured. It has these curls at the bottom, which is cute. Most of the time if I get my hair straightened, not most of the time, I've only gotten it straightened twice. I usually get it curled at the bottom. I don't like it bone straight, so this is like perfect. It's really dense. I don't know how much I like that. I haven't tried it on yet. I might want to cut some of the hair out of it because it's super thick and super, super dense. It has two clips or two combs, one in the front and one in the back, and it doesn't have like any it has a, oh it does, I won't use it though, but it has the like straps that kind of connect, like I can connect this side to the other side, but I don't usually like those. They give me a headache, but they are in there if you need it. What else can I say? There's no lace in this, no lace in it. It's full. I wouldn't say it's wefted. I don't know what the hell they did to it. Yeah, yeah, it is weft. So I don't usually like to leave my hair out. I usually like all of my hair to be in. I don't care if it looks wiggy or not. I don't care. I like to protect my hair, so I usually like to put it all back. But with this texture, I can keep my hair out without having to do anything to it. Like, I don't want to have to flatten my hair or blow dry or anything like that. I don't have to do anything like that with it. So I'm super excited about that. So I figured I'd try it on with you guys for the first time together. You guys can tell me how you'd like it. Before we get to that, hit that subscribe button right there. Hit it and turn your notification bell on so you're aware of when I post my videos. Okay, so let's put the wig on together. So first I'm gonna do some prepping to my own hair because it is a half wig. So let me take my hair down. And I only need to keep out like a little bit of it. So I'll keep out like the front. A stocking cap on it. And my hair is just stretched because I've been wearing it in a bun for the whole week. So, let's see. That much. And then we're going to put the rest into a stocking cap. And I have thin hair, so I can get away with not, like, you know, braiding it down and it still not looking like there's a big old lump in it. Alright. You see that? So I have just the very front of my hair out. Makes most sense to me to put the front clip on. I usually start with my back clip. That's pretty. Of course, we're not going to leave it like that. Let's take this middle split out. Super thick. It's so pretty. I thought I wanted to take some of the hair out, but I don't think so because it's just so pretty. This is definitely like a date night type of hair. I don't know if I'd wear this like every day. It's not like an everyday wig to me, or like a special occasion. It's super pretty. My hair like blends so nicely with it, and I didn't do much to my hair at all. Almost didn't do anything to my hair. I just took it out the daggone bun. And it just blends so nicely. The color is perfect. I really like the curls at the bottom. Just makes it so like, I don't know, so pretty and girly. I really do like this wig. I would recommend it, especially at the price point. Yes, I really do like it. This is definitely like a 4 type, or like 3B 4 type hair type of wig. I don't know how much into the 3 you can go with this wig, and it blend good. I just really like it. I didn't have to do anything to my hair. I could definitely just throw this on and go. Yes, I really like it. Yep. So if you like this wig, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that red button right there and turn on your notification bell so when I post you are aware. Comment down below and let me know how you like this wig. If you like it, if you already have it, let me know. If there are suggestions for other wigs that I should try, put that down in the comment bar and I will try them with you all. And until next time, bye.